Hi there. If you're new to affiliate marketing and feeling overwhelmed with all the information out there, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to break down Master Affiliate Profits, a simple, step-by-step system designed for new affiliate marketers just like you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how MAP simplifies affiliate marketing, and why it's the perfect guide to help you make your first commission. So, let's dive in. Now, before we talk about MAP, let's quickly go over the basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning money online. All you have to do is promote someone else's product, and every time someone buys it through your unique affiliate link, you get a commission. Sounds simple, right? But when you actually start, you realize there are tons of steps. Like finding the right products, building a platform, driving traffic, and more. It can get confusing. That's where Master Affiliate Profits, MAP, comes in. MAP takes all the guesswork out of the process. MAP is a complete system that guides you step by step through the entire affiliate marketing journey. It's perfect for beginners because it breaks everything down into easy, manageable actions. Here's how it works. First, you learn how to choose a profitable niche. Don't worry if you don't know where to start. MAP will show you exactly how to find a niche that fits your interests and has high earning potential. Next, MAP helps you pick the right products to promote. It provides a list of high-converting products and teaches you how to evaluate which ones are worth your time. Then, you'll learn how to build a simple platform, whether that's a blog, social media page, or YouTube channel. MAP keeps things easy by focusing on what works best for beginners. One of the most challenging parts of affiliate marketing is driving traffic to your offers. MAP simplifies this by showing you proven traffic strategies. Whether you want to use free traffic methods like SEO and social media, or you're interested in paid ads, MAP has you covered. And finally, the best part, MAP helps you optimize your conversions. That means turning visitors into buyers and earning your first commissions. So, why should you choose MAP over other affiliate marketing systems? Well, unlike many other courses that leave beginners feeling lost, MAP is designed specifically for people just starting out. It's easy to follow, actionable, and backed by proven strategies that have worked for countless marketers. MAP also gives you access to valuable resources, templates, checklists, and even a supportive community where you can get help along the way. So you're never left to figure things out on your own. If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing but don't know where to start, MAP is the guide you need. It's a straightforward system that'll help you get results without feeling overwhelmed. So why wait? Get started with Master Affiliate Profits today and take your first step toward earning real commissions online. Click the link in the description to download your free report and get started with MAP today.